some pissed off flow some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow some.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's going on, everybody? God, I said I wasn't gonna say anymore, and I still ain't. Welcome back to the channel. No, I can't hear. Hi, I'm Hollarmoto. Welcome to my channel. Anyways. Me and Nicole going out for a ride. We're gonna run up to my buddy Jeff's house. Y'all remember that's where we got Anthony, little Anthony, took him on his first motorcycle ride. Well, now it's Mary's birthday. I'm not gonna take her for a ride, but we're gonna go up and see him for her birthday real quick. And also, since my birthday was last Tuesday, you know, the big 44, they have a birthday card up there, so we'll go up and grab that. And we got a ride at midnight tonight for a fella that was riding down in the Kansas City Plaza, got hit by, I believe, a Jeep or something, and unfortunately he fought really hard for several days, but finally lost his battle. So we're gonna do like a little memorial ride tonight. It's at midnight. We're gonna do the 435 loop. I probably won't record that because that's actually it's a very long ride. It takes a real long time to do it. I might try to record what I can. I don't know if it'll be in this video or not. Anyway, so I do want to talk about something, and I really didn't want to do it in this video since I'm gonna go see Mary. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this up. So like right now, bam, seeing Mary. Oh, right now. Well, I ended up not getting any video for Mary's birthday. But anyways, happy birthday to Mary. Hope you guys have fun at your Clint Black concert, because I guess I need to learn how to talk. Okay, now this though, I've got a beef, and a lot of y'all say, oh, you always got beef. No, I don't really have beef. It's just I want to talk about this whole hashtag support bullshit, and that's exactly what it is. It's fucking bullshit. The so-called support page, I posted a link to one of my videos after scrolling through and seeing other people's links on the page. I was like, okay, people are posting to it, I'll go ahead and post mine. Mine got deleted and was told, we don't do that here. So I left a reply. If you delete my link, you better delete everybody else's. I went through like a day or two later, and everybody else's links have been deleted too. We're going for it. However, this is why I say it's bullshit. If you're gonna have a page that's meant for supporting people in the motovlogging community, not letting people post links to videos is about the dumbest thing I've ever heard, because that's how you support. You post your links, people in that particular group can click on the link and go watch your video. I mean, that only makes sense to me. Maybe it's only me that it makes sense to. But since then, I've left that group because it's bullshit. The whole support thing on how it was, and I understand why, you know, some people that were a part of it when it first came out, I can understand why they left it just to one man to run now. If it is still one man, I'm not sure. But I understand why it's just him. Because his ideas of support is bullshit. I don't agree with them, and I will not support it. So from here on out, I have removed the hashtag support off my YouTube, off of everything. I won't use it anymore because it's not really support. It's bullshit. It's for him to gain traction, and that's it. Anyways, I'm done bitching about that. I've been sick for like a week. Littlest boy got sick, then Nicole got sick, and then I got sick. It ain't the COVID. No, people just actually still get sick for no reason. But regardless. So I got like a damn Halls in right now to keep me going without coughing or runny nose or anything. Come on, people, I'm not even in 6th gear yet. Fuck. I really didn't have anything else to talk about. I just wanted to bitch about the whole support thing and how I think it's a bunch of bullshit. It's not real. And I understand why people left it. And, you know, they don't want to support it anymore. They moved on and did their own thing. But anyway, anywho. The days are getting shorter. This is bullshit. Winter is coming.
I know this is hard for you, but winter is coming.
Already. And I hate it. Try to think of something positive to talk about. What else can I talk about that's positive? I don't know. I really don't know. I might just go ahead and end it, and then, you know, I'll turn the cameras back on, and when we get to my buddy Jeff's house, see all them. But you'll already see that by this time. It is kind of a windy day out today. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and end it. Done talking. Alright, if you made it this far, please do not forget to go over and follow my Instagram. Follow Nicole's Instagram. It's where all the good stuff gets posted. Good stuff. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out another video. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Click the little bell. Ding ding. I'm making the bell noise, I'm not putting it in there. Prison bus. Leave a comment, share, subscribe, like. I just repeated myself. Anywho, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this ride. So, as always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.